A lot of information about the new iPhone. The most authoritative analyst from the world of Apple, Min-Chi Kuo, spoke about the key innovations of the iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Max and iPhone 11R. According to the analyst, smartphones will receive many changes compared to previous models. The new iPhone sample of 2019 will have frosted glass cases, enlarged batteries, and the ability to wirelessly charge other devices. Disclosed the key features of the iPhone 11 and iPhone 11R. Kuo said the new iPhones will fit the current size models. iPhone 11 will receive a 5.8-inch OLED display, iPhone 11 Max, a 6.5-inch OLED display, iPhone 11R, a 6.1-inch LCD display. However, there will be a lot of improvement in smartphones. First of all, the new iPhone case material will change. Apple uses frosted glass in its updates, which will be very different from the glasses in the iPhone XS, iPhone XS Max and iPhone XR. All models will receive a battery with a noticeably increased volume and a unique option for the iPhone for wireless charging of other devices. Given the latter function, we should expect a large increase in the capacity of iPhone batteries. Disclosed the key features of the iPhone 11 and iPhone 11R. According to Kuo, the new iPhones will receive support for a special technology for positioning and navigating in rooms. It is assumed that at WWDC 2019, Apple will introduce a new iOS 13 feature for indoor navigation, specifically for the new iPhone. The analyst claims that all new iPhones will retain the Lightning connector. The transition to USB-C will not occur. At least one of the new iPhones will have a system of 3 cameras with a wide-angle lens, a telephoto lens and an ultra-wide lens. Kuo also stressed that the Face ID face recognition feature in the new iPhone will be improved, but the upper frame of the display will remain unchanged from previous models, which refutes most of the previous leaks even from well-known insiders. Min-Chi Kuo is rightly recognized as the most authoritative analyst from the world of Apple. For more than 5 years, an analyst each year correctly reveals Apple's plans for its new products, and, as in 2019, it traditionally does this at the very beginning of the year.